Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. In today's video we're just going to go over a brief channel update while I show you around the garden during the start of Storm Amy, which is due to hit the UK this weekend. We've just started getting the high winds and rain, as you can see, and I think the rain does bring a cool kind of effect to the garden. So the first update is I would like to start showing your gardens and favorite plants at the end of my videos. So if that's of any interest, please comment and let me know below. It would be great to kind of give back to the community that we've started on here. Another thing is we've also started a Facebook page for Richard's Tropical Garden UK. If you're interested in following the page, I'll be doing video and garden updates as well as discussions on there, so certainly invite you to join that. Also to mention, I have a landscape gardening before and after shorts channel, which I will link in the comments and in the description below. If that's of any interest, we're putting out some further content on there soon as well, and that's just showing you before and after shots of customers' gardens, sort of while showing you the kind of first result, end result sort of thing on there. On another note, it would be just to let you know I'm pleased that the V8 Audi S5 content will be coming back, but this will be on our dedicated Audi V8 UK channel. We did have a lot of this on the channel here previously, and if you go back on the, in the history of the channel and the videos, you'll see lots of varied content from our sort of mini golf trick shots to construction of the mini golf. Now, of course, the channel is sort of a general gardening projects channel, so putting sort of everything that we're doing from, laying the patios up to our future build of an outdoor kitchen will all be featured on the channel as well. But to keep it more of a garden focused channel, I will be future posting the Audi content on its own dedicated channel, and I will be keeping the landscape before and after content on that dedicated channel as well. So just to kind of allow others to spread the content, if you're interested in any of those channels, again, I will put the links in the description below. And of course, moving forward, we will be continuing with our pond builds. We do have a 7x7 foot pond build that is coming out on the channel very soon. I'm trying to do a lot more of the mixed between sort of ponds, waterfalls, and also all the tropical plants. But as we're coming to the end of the season now, it is more of the time of getting those hard landscaping projects. Now, of course, also looking forward towards winter. With Storm Amy approaching, it does kind of make us think a little bit more about, what we're going to be doing in the next few months as the weather starts to get cooler. Now, for myself, looking forward, it does look like we could even see towards the middle of November before I'll really need to do anything with my plants. Now, things like the Musabastu, of course, those are going to get wrapped, and I will show you a video of that closer to the time. Onset Morella will be coming in just before the first hard frost, and I will also do a overwintering video on that one as well. But moving forward, for the meantime, I'm just going to keep a watch on the weather, and certainly it is advisable, this time of year now, certain areas of the UK are going to be vastly different. So my area might be different here in Leicestershire, so always worth keeping an eye on your forecast. I actually typically use the AccuWeather app, as that does seem to give me a much longer range forecast and has been pretty accurate for my area. Another thing that may be worth considering, and this is something if you haven't got one yet, is to look at things like weather stations. These can be really helpful to understand how your garden compares to what the local weather forecast is. That couple extra degrees could make all the difference when it comes to frost and things. But of course, with that said, if you have not checked out the friends of the channel, I know Jose has recently put out a great video about how to build a palm box. We should just certainly check that out if you are in a cooler climate or want to protect a more tender palm in the ground outside. I think I'm going to be trying this on my Robolini this year, as well as, of course, all the other great channels that we have listed on there. If you're not subscribed to our channel, certainly feel free to do so. Join our amazing community, and as said, if not, if you have not checked out the other channels for myself, certainly feel free to do so, subscribe, and I'd love to see you guys over on Facebook as well. But of course, with that said, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.